Hey guys, Steve Welch here at Beam & Toyota in Nashville, standing in front of a new 4Runner again, and this is going to be true on the 4Runner or the Land Cruiser. If you're off-road, there's actually a little hidden thing that you can do. If you're off-road and you got the seats flipped up, I'm going to show you something here right now you might not know. So what I want you to do is I want you to take a look. This is an SR5, right? So you're going to have this right here. This is, if you looked on the inside of this, looked on the inside of the Land Cruiser, very similar here. You're going to be able to flip this up by lifting this level right here. What you're going to be able to see now is that once you get here, and that's what, American? Somewhere? Yeah. But anyway, when you flip that up, you're going to notice that there's this little strap that's in here, and you might wonder what it is, but this is the same on the Land Cruiser, but you pop this open, all right? And what it is when you have this up, it can actually bounce some. I want to kind of, like, say you go over some rocky terrain or something like that, and you got this thing, you know, getting to bouncing as you're going. That could get a little bit crazy. So what you got to do is just grab this out and just let this thing kind of straighten out for you here. So what you want to do is, depending on where this is, I'm going to pull a little bit of distance into this. You'll see why here in a second. But you're going to take this little clip here that you've got, you turn this around here, bring this back, and you want to clamp that right in front of this clip. All right, and the reason you want to do that is because you're going to pull this clip down just like this and give it a good little tug, right? And once you've done that, now no matter how hard you hit that trail, if you got that seat up for any reason, or no matter how hard you hit whatever you're hitting, this thing is not going to move at all for you, right? And then when it's time to let it back loose, very easy. You just kind of tilt this a little bit. You're going to release that. You're going to have to turn this just a little bit to kind of get it to go out of that area, right? Undo it. And then you're going to come back up. And once you come back up, you're going to go ahead and start spinning this through, right? Just turn this. See if I can do it with one hand here for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to start rolling this up here. Definitely harder to do with one hand. But just kind of roll this up, and then you just kind of tuck that in there, all right? And put your cover back up. Once you put your cover back up, you're good to go. Now this is on both seats, so no matter which seat you have up, it's on both seats. Now you'll notice here on the side that it's actually got a little decal that's right here. And I'll try to make it where you can see it, kind of showing you what it does. There's also a decal on the back. It's kind of giving you an idea as well. But then you can drop that back down, pull that back up, and you're ready to get back in your seat. But that is something you might not know about the new Land Cruiser and new Toyota 4Runner, about how you can actually secure the back seats, keep them from moving around if you have them in the tilt forward mode. So Steve Welch here, Beam & Toyota in beautiful Nashville here. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.